there exists a gap in legislation of revenue enhancement laws in the county. Enactment of these laws will require consistent collaboration and consultation in policy developments between the county assembly and the executive. The committee observed there is need to regularly submit budget implementation status reports to the assembly by the implementing entities to enhance accountability and oversight. The committee recommendations. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Committee of Budget and Appropriation made the following recommendations. Number 1, the County Assembly to review its transport policy to conform to the rising costs of living. Mr. Speaker, sir, protect me from Honorable Mbati. The committee recommended the following rates for consideration by the County Assembly Service Board. From Mombasa, we suggested that the transport policy be increased to 20,000 shillings. Nairobi, it was suggested 15,000 shillings. Kisumu / Nakuru, it was agreed 10,000 shillings. And then areas beyond Nairobi, for example, Makueni, Machakos, 20,000 shillings. It was recommended that money spent on leasing of medical equipment should instead be released to the county government for use by health facilities.